As of yesterday, the Jamaican Minister of Transport, Darrell Vaz, has announced a ban on ride-sharing apps with immediate effect. This decision comes after the tragic case of a missing school teacher, Danielle Anglin, who had reportedly chartered a cab via a ride-sharing app and was later found deceased. Police have theorized the missing primary school teacher was killed the same day she was abducted. The 29-year-old woman was last seen on May 13 when she left home in Hellshire St. Catherine for work at St. Peter Claver Primary School in St. Andrew. Skeletal remains, believed to be those of Ms. Anglin, were discovered in bushes in Salt River, Clarendon during an investigation involving the Clarendon and St. Catherine South Police on Monday. The ban applies to popular services like InDrive, Uber, 876 On The Go, and Ride Jamaica. The government aims to ensure safety and proper regulation, and discussions are ongoing with rideshare providers, including Uber, to operate within the legal framework. The police said, a suspect was taken into custody and confessed to his involvement in the crime. The suspect is a repeat sex offender both in Jamaica and Antigua. In fact, he was deported to Jamaica from Antigua in 2015 due to sexual offenses. Her incarcerated brother could be relevant. Her father is a correctional officer. Sources describe him as stern or ruthless toward prisoners. Could this have any connection to Danielle's situation? The truth may lie at the intersection of these factors.